One of the best things about summer is fresh corn on the cob. But how do you pick out the good ones? Today, I'm going to show you how I do it. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my local market. On this channel, I cover recipes that anyone can do, plus cooking and shopping skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home, because that's where family is built. Are you ready? Because the market is now open. Come on in. Let's pick out something good.
Now we're ready to pick corn, but look at this mess. I hate when people shuck their corn in the store. Don't they know it stays fresher longer if they shuck it at home? Plus, it's more polite. I'm looking for leaves that are bright green and tight around the ear. Silk that's moist and maybe a little bit sticky, and definitely not moldy. I lightly squeeze the ear to make sure there are no hollow spots anywhere. Like this one. I could feel that through the husk. I definitely don't want it. I tend to look for larger ears because they charge by the piece and not the pound, so why not go big?
Okay, we're back in the car and it is hot out here. So just a quick recap. When I buy corn on the cob, I follow these steps.
Leaves that are bright green and tight around the ear. No hollow spots anywhere. Silk that's moist and maybe a little bit sticky. And big ears so that you get more bang for your buck.
And that's all there is to it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments the shopping tips you'd like to see to help put great food on your dinner table, because that's where family is built. And if you feed them, they will come.
All fiddle fans.